All of their assets have been suspended.
Evergrande was believed to be a strong investment for middle-class families, hoping property was a safe place to keep their money. But it was not safe.
Currently, there is a slowdown in China, and it is not a normal slowdown. It's something deeper and potentially much harder to fix. 4.5 years ago, China's property market started falling, and unlike past cycles, it didn't bounce back. Now this matters because in China, real estate wasn't just another sector, it was the foundation of household wealth. When property prices started declining, millions of households saw their wealth shrink and more importantly, their confidence disappear. Beijing saw this coming and tried to pivot. The strategy was very simple. If real estate weakens, manufacturing will take its place. So China doubled down on electric vehicles, solar panels, semiconductors, essentially building the industry of the future. On paper, it was a brilliant move, but in practice, it created a new problem. The new problem was too much supply in the economy. Factories expanded rapidly, production surged, but demand both inside China and globally couldn't keep up. So companies started cutting prices just to stay competitive. Margins began to shrink. To survive, businesses reduced cost, wages were slowed, and households started spending less. And that's where the real problem begins. Lower spending leads to weaker demand, and weaker demand leads to more price cuts, and that creates a loop. Economists call this as a deflation trap. Japan experienced something similar to this in 1990s, and it took decades to stabilize. Now here is a key point. When domestic demand weakens, China doesn't just slow down, it looks outward. Excess production started flowing into global markets, increasing competition and pushing prices down worldwide. So this is no longer just a China story, it's a shift in how the global economic system behaves. And the real question is this a temporary phase in China's growth story or the beginning of a long-term structural reset? What are your views on this? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.